Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Reddit chat not working on your settings. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down here and you click here on apps. Then you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Reddit app here, and this is window. You just keep go to find Reddit, you click here on Reddit and you come to Reddit app here or app info and you click here on full stop. Then you click here on OK, then you just go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and just you turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Reddit app. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.